What if I told you that the sharks swimming in our oceans today come from a family that's older than the very trees in our forests? It sounds impossible, but it's true. Travel back in time with us, over 450 million years. Long before the dinosaurs, long before the first continents took their familiar shape, the world was a vast primordial ocean. And in these ancient waters, the first sharks emerged. These weren't the great whites we know today, but their ancestors, ruling the seas long before life on land had even considered growing tall. It would be another 100 million years before the first true trees began to take root. Around 350 million years ago, ancient plants like Archaeopteryx started reaching for the sky, forming the first forests and changing the very air our planet breathed. For 100 million years, sharks patrolled the oceans in a world without a single tree. They're living fossils, survivors of multiple mass extinctions that have wiped out countless other species, a testament to their incredible resilience. The story of life on Earth is full of surprises. If you found this fact as mind-blowing as we do, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us as we uncover more incredible secrets of our planet. Next, we discover talents elephants have. Did you know that elephants have a secret language? One that we can't even hear? These gentle giants are not only among the most intelligent animals on Earth, but they also communicate in a way that's truly extraordinary. Elephants are famous for their complex social lives and incredible memories, but their most amazing skill might be right under their feet. They use their feet to send and receive messages through the ground itself. By stomping or rumbling, elephants create low-frequency vibrations, or seismic signals that travel through the earth. Other elephants even miles away can feel these vibrations through the sensitive, specialized pads on their own feet. It's a form of long-distance communication that allows them to coordinate with their herd, warn of danger, or find a mate across vast distances. Imagine being able to hear a friend calling from the next town over just by feeling the ground beneath you. For elephants, this is a part of their everyday life, a silent, powerful network that connects them to their family and their world. The intelligence of elephants is a constant source of wonder. If you're as amazed by these incredible animals as we are, keep watching and let's continue to explore the wonders of the animal kingdom together. In the next installment of the video, we travel to the vast, icy landscapes of the Antarctic, where life is a constant challenge. One of the most heartwarming love stories in the animal kingdom unfolds. This is how penguins show their love. For many penguin species, finding a mate is a serious business, often leading to a bond that lasts a lifetime. It all starts with an elaborate courtship. The male penguin will search for the perfect pebble, smooth and beautiful, to present to his chosen female. This isn't just a gift, it's a proposal. He'll waddle up to her, bow, and offer the pebble. If she accepts, she places it in her nest, a signal that they are now a couple. This pebble is the foundation of their home and their family, but the affection doesn't stop there. Penguin pairs strengthen their bond through coordinated dances and calls, rubbing their necks together and preening each other's feathers. These rituals help them recognize each other in a bustling, noisy colony of thousands. They share the duties of incubating their eggs and raising their chicks, taking turns to hunt for food in the frigid ocean. Penguin love is a story of loyalty, teamwork, and dedication against all odds. If this tale of Antarctic romance warmed your heart, give this video a like, subscribe for more, and let's keep exploring the incredible ways animals connect. We move on now to the next part in this video. Have you ever felt like you were being watched? If you've been near a crow, you probably were. What's more, that crow will remember you for years. Crows are one of the most intelligent animals on the planet, and they have an incredible, almost uncanny ability to recognize and remember human faces. Scientists have proven this in fascinating experiments. Researchers who wore a specific dangerous mask while briefly capturing and banding crows were targeted by those same crows long after. But it doesn't stop there. The truly amazing part is that the crows taught their friends and family to recognize the dangerous face. Other crows, who had never even been captured, would join in, scolding and mobbing anyone wearing that specific mask. They share information, creating a collective memory of who to trust and who to avoid. This incredible social learning is a powerful survival tool. It allows an entire flock to learn from the experience of a single bird, keeping the community safe from potential threats. They don't just see a person, they see an individual, and remember how that individual treated them. So next time you see a crow, remember, you're not just looking at a bird. You're being seen by a highly intelligent individual with a long memory and a strong social network. Be nice to them. I'll remember that too. If you found this look into the mind of a crow fascinating, hit that like button and join us for more incredible stories from the animal world. For our final incredible animal fact, we have a showdown you never saw coming. Who can hold their breath longer? A dolphin, the master of the ocean, or a sloth, the master of, well, taking it easy? The answer will surprise you. It's the sloth. That's right, the famously slow-moving sloth can hold its breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. A dolphin, for all its aquatic grace, needs to surface for air every 10 to 15 minutes. How is this possible? It all comes down to the sloth's incredibly slow metabolism. They have the ability to slow their heart rate down to a third of its normal pace, drastically conserving oxygen. While they're not natural swimmers, they occasionally take to the water to move between trees or escape predators. And when they do, they are surprisingly efficient. Their unique physiology, built for a life of energy conservation, gives them this hidden superpower. It's a perfect example of how every animal is uniquely adapted to its own world in ways we could never expect. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the amazing animal kingdom. We hope you've enjoyed discovering these incredible facts as much as we have. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more adventures into the wild.